Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I'm Ao. This is day number 163 of my 365 days of art. In today's artwork, I will be just doing, random exercises. I do these exercises every once in a while, and I just do them to practice, for example, form and overlap and my penmanship. So I decided to share that with you guys today. It's nothing too serious today. I'm not drawing any characters or sketching, but yeah, I enjoy doing this because it really stimulates my mind. So yeah, that is all for today's video, day 163. If you like this content, please feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I would like to hear from everybody and see how everybody's doing. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and joining me on this journey. I will see you guys in the next video. If you are interested in my tutorials, you can find it on my Patreon account. And feel free to join me for my records. Those are up on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But I feel a little bland. Like I do gesture drawings almost every single day, so uploading it 3 times a week seems a little bit too bland for me, but I don't want to overwhelm myself, so I'm just gonna keep it as that. If I feel as though I should upload more, I want to, but I would really like to have a good schedule set up, and that's kind of why I'm kind of conflicted about this, because I really do want to upload records every single day to encourage everybody to practice every single day. Yeah, I'll continue to think about it. I'll continue to think about it because it's a good practice to have as an artist. And yeah, that is all for today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys have a fantastic day and a new week that's about to come. Yeah, bye bye everybody.